Count number of thin object in Japanese. As you see in the picture, teaser, knife, fork, CD-ROM, and tissue paper. These products are thin objects. And how do they count a paper or a teaser in Japanese? Let's go to see together. Count number of thin object. In Japanese, they use the unit of mai, which doesn't mean thin object, but they use the unit of mai to count for the thin object. As you see in the picture, we have tin, CD-ROM, paper, and teaser. For example, ichimai, which means one thing of thin object. For example, if you want to say, please give me a paper. In Japanese, you say, ichimai no kami o kudasai. Ichimai no kami o kudasai. Something like that. Nimai, nimai, sanmai, sanmai. And now we are going to learn for counting the thin object. Yonmai, yonmai. Gomai, gomai. Lokumai, lokumai. Nanamai, nanamai. Hachimai, hachimai. Kyumai, kyumai. Jumai, jumai. And when you want to make the question, you can say Nan Mai, Nan Mai. Or you can say in the polite form by using Nan Mai desu ka, Nan Mai desu ka. The next we are going to see some example of how to use mai to count for thin object in Japanese. The first example, Tsukue no ue ni nanmai kami ga arimasu ka? Tsukue no ue ni nanmai kami ga arimasu ka? Which means, how many papers on the table? How many papers on the table? The next example, Senshu 3枚の T シャツを買いました。先週3枚の T シャツを買いました。Which means, I bought 3 T-shirts last week. I bought 3 T-shirts last week. 3枚の T シャツ which means 3 T-shirts. And for the first example, Nan Mai, which means how many